Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Forms for survey data organization, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Google Forms in the search bar and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. You'll be directed to the Google Forms homepage. If you haven't signed in, click on the Go to Forms button. Enter your Google account credentials and log in. On the Google Forms homepage, click on the blank form template. A new form will open, displaying a title section at the top. Enter a name for your survey in the title box. You can also add a description to explain the purpose of the survey. Click on the Untitled Question box to enter your first survey question. Select the question type from the drop-down menu on the right. Options include multiple choice, checkboxes, short answer, and more. After selecting the question type, fill in possible answers if applicable. To add more questions, click the plus button on the toolbar. Repeat the question creation process until all your questions are entered. You can rearrange questions by dragging them with the 6 dots on the left. To mark a question as required, toggle the required switch at the bottom. Now, click on the Send button located in the top right corner. You'll see options to send the form via email, link, or social media. If you choose to get a link, click on the link icon. Shorten the URL if desired by checking the box next to Shorten URL. Copy the link provided. You can now share this link with your respondents. To view responses, return to the Google Forms homepage. Click on your survey form and then select the Responses tab at the top. You can view summary charts or individual responses here. For advanced analysis, click on the green Sheets icon to create a Google Sheets document. Now you are ready to organize your survey data effectively using Google Forms. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.